fraud. Don't open this email. Don't click this link. Don't call this phone number. Don't watch this video. You know that member fraud is a challenge. And I know that credit unions everywhere are always working on ways to, well, minimize, address it, detect it preemptively, making sure that you're not feeding into their narrative. Do as I say, not as I do. I'll get emails on fraud notices and they'll say, oh, make sure that the link is clear and that it goes to our site. Don't click any links. But the link will be one that has that like tracking code for the newsletter. And then they'll tell you to click a link. Or they'll say, don't call any phone numbers. And then they give you a phone number to call. Or they say, look for our logo and for it to be an authentic email. Or they'll say, dear member. Come on. We got to do better than that. If we want to help our members better recognize how to avoid these situations, then the best way to do it is to avoid making them be the ones that are the trust makers for it. In other words, if they are the ones determining if it's good or bad or if it's real or fake, we've already missed the mark. Instead, make it a little less convenient. Go through our app. Go to our website by typing it in. The scammers are always going to be one step ahead, and they're looking at what you're sending too, and they're playing off of that. So if we're going to be truly addressing the fraud on the member side, then we have to make sure we're not playing into any of those hands. So don't watch this video, please.